Hi, I want to show you how to add a Google account on iPhone. So let's start by opening Settings. And now we need to scroll all the way down to find this last section, Apps. After that, search for the Mail app or use search bar. And here, select Mail accounts. So now you should see your iCloud information. And to add a Google account, just click Add Account, and in the list, select Google. Now, of course, you need to sign in using email or phone number. Then click Next and enter password. Sometimes it can ask to sign in via this QR code so you can scan it with another device running iOS 16 or later, just by opening camera like that, scanning code and tapping this orange option, sign in with passkey. Now select to use Face ID to sign in, and after that you will see the screen. So tap continue. Here tap continue as well. And just in a few seconds, this account will be added to your phone. So pick whether you wanna enable synchronization for mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. And then save information by tapping Save button in the top right corner. And that's it. As you can see, account is added. Here you can manage its settings and delete. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.